Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Please subscribe and remember to hit that notification button. This is part 9 of how to design and build your own 4-axis CNC. I always try to keep the designs professional as possible, and with all these moving axes I like to keep the wires as protected as I can. This is why I prefer to use cable chains. First, I'm gonna make laser cut and bend brackets for the Z-axis cable chain. It looks like I can modify the one Z-axis cable chain mount to also mount the X-axis cable chain. Now I need a support for the other side of the X-axis cable chain to mount on. This will be a laser cut and bend board. I've modeled up some spacer bushes off screen, and I've also added in the mounting holes for the support. Next up is mounting the cable chain for the Y-axis. Support is needed for the Y-axis cable chain. This will also be a laser cut and bend part. Here I'm adding the mounting holes for the Y-axis support. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you would like to contribute to the project, you can do so via GoGet Funding or Patreon. The links will be in the description below. If you haven't yet, please subscribe here. Thank you for watching and see you next time.